Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making Coffee Streusel Cake. This Coffee Streusel Cake has a rich coffee flavor and is topped with a generous amount of chunky crumb topping. I love the soft texture of the cake together with the crunchy and buttery crumble. This is so easy to make and I'm pretty sure you're going to love this recipe. So let's get baking. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and line the bottom of a 26 cm springform pan. First off, we are going to start with a crumb topping. In a medium mixing bowl, add in the 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 80 grams of sugar, 50 grams of ground hazelnuts, and 80 grams of cold butter. We are just going to knead this by hands until we get those rough crumbs. I'm now going to place our crumb topping in the fridge and move forward to the next step. In a medium mixing bowl, add the 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. Give this all a quick mix and set this aside. I'm now going to dissolve the 2 tablespoons of coffee granules in the 3 tablespoons of hot water. Set this aside as well for the upcoming steps. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 250 grams of softened butter and 250 grams of sugar. Beat this on medium-high speed until it turns creamy. We can now add the 5 eggs one at a time, just like so. Make sure to beat this well after each addition. Add the coffee and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat this just until everything comes together. I'm now going to gradually add in the flour mixture, alternating with 130 milliliters of milk, simply like this. Do not overbeat this, please. Make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl every now and then. This is the consistency we are looking for. We can now pour the cake mixture into the prepared springform pan. Try to spread it evenly by using a rubber spatula or an offset spatula. Lastly, we can sprinkle our crumb topping on top of the cake mixture. We're going to bake the cake for about 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My cake is done baking. I baked mine for 54 minutes. Let this cool down completely before dusting it with confectioner sugar. So my cake has cooled down and I'm now going to dust about 1 tablespoon of confectioner sugar on top of my cake. Look at that pretty coffee streusel cake. This cake is very soft and not too sweet. The buttery crumb topping makes this cake extra special. I like eating a slice of this cake for breakfast. It goes perfectly with a cup of tea. You must give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!